So tired and just feel like quitting. Ayoko na, tama na to, pagod na ako. Pero hindi pwede kasi ang dami mong pang babayarang bills. Yung binili mong sasakyan, yung mortgage ng bahay. So kahit pagod na pagod ka, sige lang. Every single day. Nag-iisip ka kung ano kayang pwede kong gawin aside sa nursing. Sige lang, everyday laban lang. Kaya ko to. But one thing that will help is really looking up and asking God to help you in your struggles. Learn to enjoy. Pag day off, pumunta ka sa beach, ang daming beach dito. Or mag-malling ka. Enjoy with your friends. Or kahit tingin lang ng sunset or ng sunrise. Kahit mag-isa ka or with somebody else. Or look into your creative side. Mag-paint ka. Pag gusto mo. Or maglaro. And also, do physical exercise. For sure, makakatulong yan sa'yo. Hindi lang dahil madadivert yung attention mo, but matutulungan ding maging healthy ang katawan mo. Hindi lang maging sexy. Then, talk to somebody else. Reach out to others. Struggling is not meant to be taking all the difficulties all by yourself. Kaya nga may ibang tao so that you can reach out to them. Go to people whom you can trust. And the next day or the next few months, balik ka na ulit sa trabaho with a renewed energy. Lahat naman tayo nagsistruggle. Ganyan lang talaga yan. Pero dadating ang panahon, magiging masaya ka ulit. So, walang mag-quit. Just keep on.